So how to remove active copyright strikes from your YouTube channel? First of all, open your Giro account, and then after, what you have to do is click in the active copyright strike. Click on it. Once you click on copyright strike, and you see details about the copyright strike, from where you received the copyright strike, who applied for the copyright strike for you, and the detail is all about described in here. So the point in here is just how to apply for the copyright strike. Strike expired after 90 days as long as you apply for the copyright school. 1. 2. Request restriction. 3. Submit counter notification, and delete the video will not remove the strike. So most of the time, many amateur YouTubers, they directly go to their content and they remove the strike content, but that is not a solution. The solution is not deleting the strike video. The solution is not making private the strike video. But the right solution, what you have to do is come here and you can apply for the copyright school. That is the right option to remove your copyright strike. Especially you got a notification for the very first strike. What you have to do is apply for the strike school. What you have to do now is just go to start now. Once you click on start now, you see the video. This is the copyright video, which is created by the YouTube creators. You can watch this video in detail by your own. So your first copyright strike requires to you to complete the copyright school. This helps you to learn how copyright works at YouTube. So this is very important to understand for the next time video creation. You don't need to take the other videos without disclaimer. You don't apply just directly other videos to your own video, but what are the copyright strikes in detail the YouTube creator included in this particular video. You can check the video by your own self. To complete the question, it takes 10 minutes, and you will learn through the copyright examples and cases. And you have unlimited tries to find the right solution. It doesn't matter, maybe you doesn't answer the question in proper way. There is no limit, so you can try again and again until you get the right solution for the questions which is mentioned in the copyright school. So then what you have to do is come here and click next, and here you have questions. These are the copyright school questions, question 1 up to 4. So the question 1, the content creator is allowed to contact the claimant to try and resolve the copyright strike. So the content creators are allowed to contact the claimant to try to resolve their copyright strike. Okay, yes. All right. So the first or second copyright strike can be resolved completely by copyright school and waiting for the expired date within the 19 days. Alternative options are submitting a valid counter notification or by getting the claimant to restrict their several requests. All right. So you answer the very first question. Next. And what is next is your strike will expire 90 days after they were added. Remember that channels that get 3 strict copyright within the 90 day are subjected to removal. So make sure your channel doesn't receive any copyright within this interval. If you've done this, and what you have to do is just done. So now look at the strike. There is no copyright strike on your channel now because you are already applied. And then close it and then refresh, back and refresh, and come here, and then let's go to the YouTube studio, and under YouTube studio you see your channel. Now look at the strikes are not available here. So previously there is a strike at the top of here, but now that strike is totally removed. But make sure within the 19 days your channel doesn't get any strike. So this is all about what I have for you. God bless you. Don't forget subscribe and be a family for this particular YouTube channel. We're gonna learn together. God bless you. See you soon at the top. Bye bye.